Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off global on the Tinder app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Tinder app and look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see several navigation options there. Go ahead and tap on Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can view and manage your account settings. Once you're on your profile page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon sitting there, which is your gateway to all the app settings and preferences. Tap on this gear icon to open up the settings menu. This is where you can customize how Tinder works for you and manage various features. After the settings menu opens, you'll need to scroll down through the list of available options. Take your time scrolling until you locate the option labeled Global. This feature allows Tinder to show your profile to users worldwide, expanding your potential matches beyond your local area. It's particularly useful for travelers or people interested in meeting others from different countries. But if you prefer to keep your matches more local, turning it off makes sense. Now, once you've found the global option, you'll see a toggle button right beside it. This toggle controls whether the global feature is active or inactive on your account. The current state of the toggle will show you whether it's currently turned on or off. Go ahead and click on the toggle to turn it off. When you do this, the toggle should switch positions or change color to indicate that global mode is now disabled. This means your profile will no longer be visible to users in other countries and you'll only see potential matches within your designated local area. And that's it. You've successfully turned off global on your Tinder app, keeping your dating pool more focused on your immediate region. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.